Guys, welcome to another video. We're cooking with my brother. So we're gonna be cooking right now. And where's the chicken? The chicken's not ready.
Oh,
I just put it on there and it's hot. Ta-da! I'm gonna put some butter spray on there.
put butter spray on that bad boy.
Wait, no.
I think Daddy's following.
Yeah, he is.
What? Hold on.
Okay, my brother will be back in a couple seconds. We're cooking. Are you sure about that, son? 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 Are you ready, son?
Hey, these will be usually done because they're red. Doesn't mean that they're not.
No,
That's
we
not
just
done.
put them on there.
Yeah, it's not done.
We just put them on there.
Yeah, it's fine. Let them be. Put all those back on there and let them warm up. I like to stack them up. Let me see your tongues.
Oh, I thought you said tongues.
Yeah, you always say tongues.
This one's not floppy.
Fuck face, what are you doing?
Okay.
I'm a spider over here.
Yeah, I know.
Here's what I do. Ready?
Yeah.
If these are done, I stack them up on top of each other. Keep them warm. Come on, get this shit taken care of.
They will be over. Dave, don't forget to close the door. Where's Jimmy? Where's Jimmy? Okay, can you see?
Watch more videos.